Jamaican Shore Fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Please remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, guys. And remember, guys, to watch the ads. Pushing out this morning, early this morning, guys. Heading down to a spot. I don't know exactly where I'm going to end up yet, but I'm just going to stop anywhere that I get a chance to because I got out the house late this morning. So we're going to give it a shot, see what we can pick up. Stay tuned. This beach that my boy told me that there's always a lot of barracudas in the morning, so we're gonna check it out for a little bit, and if we don't pick nothing up here, we're just gonna move down the line to my snook spot and whatever other spot that I can find. We're just gonna run this and see what we can get out of it. I'm not gonna go with my heavy gear. I got my heavy gear and light gear with me, but we're gonna roll with light gear this morning. I gotta tie up a Y lead, so stay tuned for that. My tooth-proof Y lead, I have to tie this up because the other one that I was using yesterday got bent up to hell. I don't like when they're bent because what happened is that when they're bent, they give you a bad swim on the lure, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna walk this beach. It's shallow waters. I don't know if it's really shallow or not. I haven't looked, but I just took the time out real quick to make sure that I stopped and tied up a Y lead. The mono lead I use inside the rivers, Y lead I use inside the ocean, because of the fact that the barracudas are toothy creatures, and you get those snappers sometimes that are real toothy. So what I don't want them to do is break the lead and take my line. I'm not using soft plastic today, guys. This is my wet up towel when I get wet. Alright, let's get this wire lead off, guys. As you guys see, look at this. It has a kink in it. That's not good. You change that off and you get a new one on when there's a kink in it like that, because that's a lead for destruction right there. It's going to end up breaking off, and then you're going to end up losing your fish and losing your lure, which is a bad move. It gets expensive at that point. I'm going to walk this beach opposite of my car and go this way and see if we can pick up any barrows. The water is real shallow at the moment, guys. I don't like the shallowness, but let's see what's up. See what we can get. See what we can get here this morning. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Guys, look how far I'm coming from, and I worked this whole section and I haven't gotten any chase. Most likely in this little spot right here, I'll probably most likely get a hit. Probably find a small one around here someplace. The water's a little bit more depth. You got a little bit more clear spot where they can see a little bit better, even though they can see very well. Nothing yet. Working this area, guys. We're not giving up. You can see them chasing, guys. You just got to follow the lure from it lands in the water all the way back to you, and then you'll see the fish behind it. So we got bait fish in this area. That's good. Nothing. Not yet. And that sun is just kicking up, guys. Where you can see that glitter on that damn lure. That right look. Nothing. Alright, this is where the bait fish active at. Yep, this is where the barrows will be active at, guys. That's what I'm looking for, bait fish. I knew they was up here someplace. I'm going to water a bit, guys. Get a little bit of depth in here. This is crazy. I'm not going to go down that side then. I'm just going to move down the line, guys. It makes no sense here. If I work this whole little section and you don't see not one barracuda pick up, something's wrong. Spot 2. Yeah, guys. So the other spot, ooh, I almost bust my shit. The other spot proved fruitless, and I just wasn't really getting what I wanted out of that spot. But I have all this to work, and going around, But I can work this little area right here and probably pick up something. I don't know. Let's see what's up. Let's try in here first and see if we get anybody's attention inside the grass right here real quick. I know there's a reef right here someplace. I don't want to get hitched on it. Yeah, that's one thing. When you come out, guys, you study your water. Make sure you know where everything is, because you will end up losing a lot of lures that way. Anything that's around, you're going to slap the hell out of that lure, guys. Trust me. I'm sure of that. I'm not even asking that question. Oh, don't want that. Oh, there's bait fishing here. There are bait fishing here. That's good. Barras like staying close to their food. I mean, I can go all the way out there, but you got to know, watch your step when you're coming back, because you make a mistake, you're going to be in 10 foot of water. Right here, guys, like, wow, man. All right, let's move around. We're going to get around to the other side, give over here a little break, and then concentrate on this side. Nothing. Working, guys, working. Work. Nothing. Always catch some big jacks right here for some reason. They always, like, I think I've caught like 2 or 3 jacks, big jacks, like 3-pound jacks right here in the same exact spot. Crazy, right? Memories of life. That's what's up. Nearshore fishing. This is part of it, man. This is the enjoyment of it. I don't know if you guys enjoy this, but I do. I enjoy getting out here. I enjoy fishing. There's another big hole right here and one right here on this side of this. The water's just so pretty, guys. And there's bait fish around. So the water washed down a whole bunch of plastic bottles here. And you have the young lady that's recycling the batteries. She's taking up I'm recycling the bottles, the plastic bottles, and doing a cleanup. And she's alone here doing it, guys. So I want to give her a big up, and trust me, well appreciated as a fisherman coming down here seeing somebody do this. So stay tuned, guys. Let's see what we can pick up here on the water. I didn't know it was like this down here, but trust me. Whole bunch of stuff down here, guys, like messing the whole place up. So I normally would fish off this wood stump that's here, that's going out, or tree stump that's going out in here. It's no longer here because the water has changed everything right here. Damaged everything, garbage everywhere, guys. That's crazy. There goes a tree that I used to stand on. Not guaranteed anything down here now, but most likely, because yeah, they had a bad rainstorm down here, guys. Let's get in this water and see what we can pick up. Making shore fishing. Where you at, baby boy? I know you're here. Are you playing shy with me today, Mr. Barra? Are you really playing shy with me, Mr. Barracuda? You sure you want to do that, Mr. Barracuda? Daddy's here. Yeah, I gotta be careful while I'm stepping on rocks here. Yeah, guys. People need to stop dumping gutters, guys. It all ends up someplace like down here. You see? My lure gets stuck on garbage. Oh my God. All the garbage. All that shit come down in the water. So now, that smell back there. This has an awkward smell to it. Let's walk the wall, guys. We'll walk this wall. Come on, go. See what we can pick up. You must have to love this, you know. See what we can pick up. The water's shallow right here. I'm getting a low water. And I know up there, there's a little deep spot off there. I hit a jack there the other day because they come through the channel. Right there. See y'all. Bam, right there. There goes the drop off that one. Hermit jack time. And nothing yet. I ain't got no bites, no chases. I mean, I've gotten a few small chases, but I haven't gotten nothing significant yet. Heading down the line. 7:16 in the morning and not a damn thing yet. That's how it goes sometimes, guys. Who knows? We might just go down the road to the river and try the river out and see what's up in there. Rained pretty good down here last night. Yeah, this is the town of Sandy Bay, guys. It's probably a very small town, and up there is Mount Pellet. We have different spot. We're in Hanover Parish. You know me already. I can't just give up like that. Alright guys, we're gonna save this battery and move down the line. I'm not gonna cast anymore anyway. Missouri over there still. There goes my lure on that damn piece of stick over there from when, guys. You know how long I've been trying to get that damn lure off of there? It's all the way over there. Yeah. So let's get my car locked up, guys. And let's lure in the water. Up top, because this is kind of tricky right here, guys. See, every turn I turn I get a bush, so you gotta be totally accurate when you're casting up here, guys. If not, you find yourself in a real sticky situation and losing a lot of lures and gears. So the river came down, apparently water came through there and knocked all of that down. So now the damn fish got a place to even hide even better. I don't dislike fishing rivers. I don't mind fishing them, but it's just that it's a little bit more tedious at times to fish a river because you have to be extremely careful. Let's get out of here. Nothing. Somebody netted this river. Either they netted it or they fished it last night. One of the two. But it's all I'm just up top river. And the river looked like it was pouring cats and dogs up river. Because right now down here is blocked up. I'm not getting any reading down here, guys. Tried. We'll move on down the line and see what we can pick up someplace else. If I don't get any luck today, I guess I'll be out later tonight catching something. Not getting any pickups, guys.
The river is down and it's dirty. Not giving me a good reading here. Looking if we see any crabs, guys. They be out here. It's harder to see them before they spot your ass. Look at that big one right there on top of the water, guys. See? 1, 2 big ones. See them down there? Right there, right by the water's edge. They have to come out their hole. You see them? They be in the trees when it rains. Every time I hook a snapper or something, it's down this side. Nothing. We'll move down the line, guys. Try different places. This is not working out at all. Alright, you see him? He's right there. Look at that. Look at that. I see 2 barras. I see a small little barra, and I see a small barra. Look at these barras. So he's not moving to it. That little bastard. Why is he not moving to it? That's weird. That barra, he's right there, guys, and he's not moving to my lure. Oh, he's filled with baitfish all around him. That's why he's not even looking at me. Let's get down that side. Listen, guys. I don't know what's going on this morning. This is crazy. Distance is dragging me further and further and further and further and further down the line, guys. And still nothing yet. I see the barra in the water, but they're just not picking up. Let's go find some deeper water. Last time I was down here, I caught a long jaw. Danny, aka. Haven't been down here in a while. This is like second to last spot. I got another spot down the road, and after this, that's it. It's a wrap. I'm gonna take it in. If I don't catch anything, guys, you know it's nil. We'll do it again. Damn, goats rushing this way. See if we can pick something up in this water, guys. We're making sure fishing. Cause a little disturbance first. Get this one hooked. I'm gonna work this wall going down back that way, but we're gonna go as far as we can this way without being interrupting somebody's property. That looks like Skilly all the way over there. The Hartman Adventure, guys. And they'll be out there too, trust me, them guys are good for that. That bird's eye view shot from right here. And watching them hit that lure, guys, that's like so exciting. That does it so much more extra for me when I have these kind of views. But the problem is that when you get these kind of views, it's landing the fish. You have to do all kinds of stuff to make sure that fish is landed. Okay, long jaw sees it. I see him chasing. I know for a fact I have the attention. So it's not the fact that the fish is not grabbing, it's the fact that they're not there. So we'll cover this area and cover as best as possible and see what we can pick up. If not, guys, we'll just move down the line. I had planned to go a little bit further anyways. Never a definite thing, but it's gonna happen. Ouch, that hurt. Bumped my toe on that rock a while ago. That didn't taste so good. Fish on, guys. I got him. Barra. Fish on. You see him? Got him. Nice barra, too. Let's get him over here, guys. Woo. Let's get this bad boy up here. Oh! See? Exactly what I was telling you guys. I didn't want to jump down there, guys. And at the same time, where I'm at, look, I'm at a sticky spot right here, guys. This is crazy. But it was a barra. Got him a while ago. Got away. That's how it is sometimes, guys. I got 3 yesterday anyway. That bad boy, you're a lucky bad boy today. So you guys, he ain't gonna grab onto it again, guys. He went through too much trauma right here. I just gotta move on. Nice barra too, guys. Another one got it while ago and got away. That's the second one, guys. Second one in a row, guys. So they're in the area, guys. I know that for sure. Okay, they're feeding. All right, let's get. Ah, shit, I just hitched my lure on there. Shit, why am I having this luck on this wall, guys? Hitched up, lost my fish. That's not good. Yeah, we're gonna move down a bit, guys. Let me get lower on this lower wall. I didn't have enough space to stand up on the other spot. Can't believe I lost that bad boy a while ago. 2 of them. Not 1, guys. 2. That's crazy, right? Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah! You can come! That was not just a lizard fish that just hit my line. Oh, okay. It's a thingy, seaweed. We'll walk down a little further, guys. Give these guys down here a break. Most likely there's one close by. Because they sit pretty much close to each other at times. Son of a gun, guys. That was my only 2 catch of the morning. Look how hard I worked for that. Can't believe I let that happen, though. Look at the goaties. The goats, they're so cute. And tasty. Tasty in my pot. Working my way back, guys. Working it, guys. Oh shit. That wouldn't have turned out good. Alright guys, we're going to walk around to that point there. That's the furthest we're going to go from my car. So my car is all the way back there. We're not going to move every minute because I'm going to burn out my petrol, guys. I got only 1 battery on me though. If this battery dies, that's it. Hang around this side to this clear water right here. Nothing. Alright guys. Walk around on this beach and under these rocks and be very extremely careful not to fall and bust my shit. See what we can pick up here, guys. Barrows get away from me today. That's not good. Nothing right here, guys. Walk around a little bit more and see if I can get to that point of that reef and see what I can pick up, even though I got divers all over the goddamn water, but they're gonna scare all the fish away from me. Son of a bitch. These boots are no good to walk back here, I'll tell you that much. See what I can pick up right here, guys. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's reef. I got mad reefs out here. Oh shit. 9% on this battery left. Not much. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but I'm gonna have to walk around this. But if the battery dies, guys, I'll just finish this video up at the car. Basically let you guys know. I'm pretty far out, guys. As far as all the way on the other side of that cove over there, and I'm all the way over here. So if I don't get the action, I'll get the short video by phone or something. But my battery's about to die. I'm gonna shut it off. Ballyhoo on my way back, and I just spotted him coming in. There you go. He's not going for it. He's not trying to hear it. You got divers getting ready to get in the water around here. Woo-hoo. I've never been around here before, guys. My first time back here. So, seeing what the terrain is like. Checking it out. Let's go down there. Why don't we? Get out these thorns. I've never fished this side before, guys. Woo-hoo. This looks good. Diver looks like he's about to took off. All this. Pretty cool. Lure fishing? Different spot. We've been going at it all morning, guys. That's how we roll. Divers is about to jump in the water, guys. I want to get a few casts out before he gets in, because once he gets in, it's a wrap for me right here. Oh shit. I'm not feeling this lure right now, guys. Diver is missing. Get across this bay. Nothing there. Nothing on this side. I'll walk the reef, go around and work myself to that cove, guys. I came down on this side, cast out on this side real quick because I was in a rush. But I'm going to change this lure off. I don't think I'm going to get much result with this lure. Walk around the cove and let's see what we can pick up. Lost those 2 barracudas this morning, checked out a few other spots, nil, nothing. Hitting this spot up for the first time, not the first time, but the first time on this side. Normally I'm on the other side. I'm sure you guys seen videos of that. But what I'm aiming for is this cove over here, because the type of fish I hunt, I like barracudas, jacks. They like to be in protected areas where there's not so much, how do you say, action, like movement. You know what I mean? So, just exploring these reefs, guys. These close inner reefs that I can actually walk on. So, dangerous game, because if you fall off it here, you're going to fall into some deep water. Yeah, it's best I go on that one. Casting on this one is looking for a disaster. And there's another flat reef right here that I can actually walk on top of, that the wave is going over, but I don't want to go out there. See how it comes in. Now you tackle it. Woohoo! Yeah, that comes up pretty high right here. There you guys, so working this area, not much luck so far, guys. I'm gonna switch this lure off in a second. It's not giving me much luck either. Start with my original Uzuri that I was working with earlier. Not gonna try that. Alright guys, we see a wall. You know us and walls. Us and walls is a mother flower. But we're gonna do it anyway. Left my car all the way. I'm probably gonna get wet on this trip. Yo! Wagwan! Yeah! Yeah man, I'm the same one. I hold 2 barra this morning, but he jump off right on the wall when I bring him up.
I want to see kind of roughish, man.
That's about me I go and try, I'm not give up. Where work he go straight at foot. See the car up there, so. Okay, I done them with the man, see the car part there. Yeah. I done them with the just now. So I work the whole side they come round. And then I work this, go to this and then. No man, I go down to Fort Charlotte.
Okay.
So if I don't pick up nothing else, I'm going to touch Fort Charlotte.
Alright,
Yeah, man, bless up yourself. All right, cool now?
Yeah.
All right. Good to see you, though.
Yeah, man, yeah.
All right, cool. Yeah, guys. Subscribers. Fabulous subscriber. Yeah. Big up the fabulous subscriber, guys. Alright, guys. We'll work to that rock further. But I don't think we're going to go any further in this, guys, because I highly doubt I'm not getting any pickups. I'm not getting any cases. I'm not seeing any long jaws. I don't know what's going on down on this side. The water's kind of rough lately, everybody's saying. But, you know, shore fishing already, guys. We don't give up that easy. We push. And just keep on pushing until we hold something. That's it. That's the shore fishing way. We never quit. Winners never quit. Alright, we're gonna work it down the line, guys. I think we did enough. I think we did enough here. And let's go up this way. Move. I was gonna leave, and one of my subscribers just linked me a while ago. Ooh, a jack just chased it. One of my subscribers just linked me a while ago. Was like, yo, try around there, yo. So I'm like, all right. I was just around here, but then you come back around and try again, just to try and see. YouTube. That is it. Woo! Fast boy jackfish. I'm seeing him, he's chasing it. Got him all hyped up, guys. Ooh, here you go, here you go. Let's drop it in front of him again. Oh. Yo. Hold on. Yeah, man. Maybe I'm on in here. Man, I'm planning to go out this evening. But up on the water now, what 2 barrels want to catch this morning. Well, lure fishing now is a different ball. We'd have to go like a nigger now. And you can't carry about. It depends, you see me? Depends on how much driving we are there. Right now, I burn out a quarter tank and I grant play them reefs. You understand? Yeah, we don't have to early morning though, brother. Because I can't manage the load in the evening. Early morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. Push out. So yeah, found this up. I'm passing by again. The river mouth is now open, so I guess all the fish either came out or went in, one or the two. But let me give it a quick shot here. See if we can pick nothing up or get any action. Alright, that's a bush up, guys. I've never seen here a bush up like this yet. There guys, nothing yet. Oh shit. Nothing, guys. Hi, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We're gonna call it a day. Yo. Morning. Shore fishing. It's been a long day, guys. I went out on the only mission this morning. It was crazy. I'm talking good distance all the way into Fishing Hanover, guys. Picked up 2 barrels and it was crazy. Just trust me, guys. I'm sure you guys seen the footage before, but thank all you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. I appreciate you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and watch ad. One love.